This tutorial explains how to deploy and manage components using ITOSS. You will learn to access the system, add a Linux component, and configure it for management. Once ITOSS is deployed within its infrastructure, it can be accessed via a web server. Users can reach the ITOSS homepage using a web browser. To log in for the first time, use the username administrator and the password admin. For security reasons, remember to change the password or disable this user account after the initial login. Click the Sign In button to proceed to the ITOSS user interface. A quick start. Use the information loaded by default. In this case, we are going to start by loading a Linux system for its management in ITOSS. Go to Configuration and Components in the menu. Go to the menu, then to Components, and select Add Component. Look for the type of technology you want to add, in this case Linux. Click the Done button to confirm adding the new component. Click the Name field to enter the component details. Once you enter the data in the form, including the component name, environment, and connection data, proceed to the next step. Enter the IP address for the SSH connection. Enter the SSH username for the connection. Enter the SSH password to establish the connection. Enter the same IP address in the ICMP target field, then press Add Component. Once the component is loaded, enter administrative management data such as company, location, management profile, collector source, and responsible workgroup. Once this is finished, create the component. Click the Save button to store the component configuration. Once the component is created, it remains in a delivery state. In this state, the component is not managed. To start management, the component must change to operational. This can be done here or by entering the component from the operating view with the Change to State Operation option. Click the Change State to field to add notes or remarks. Click the Change button to update the component's state to operational. In a few minutes, you will see the information that the management tool begins to generate. The component will start being managed, and metrics will be collected for analysis and complete management. This tutorial guides you through deploying and managing a Linux component in ITOSS, from initial login to operational state and monitoring data generation.